What's up guys? If you're planning on towing with your Honda CR-V, it is required by law to have trailer lights on your vehicle. Let's go ahead and break down this easy installation for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Inside the cargo area, on the driver's side, we're going to be removing a tow hook, which is going to be right behind here, and a screw that's going to be behind the handle. For the tow hook, you're going to have to open it halfway, exposing the little white tab on the inside. We're going to use a flathead to push that and pull the hook out. To get to the screw, you'll want to push down on the middle tab and pull the plate back. Once you remove the panel, you're going to see the two screws that are located behind it. We're going to use a Phillip to remove them. We're going to go ahead and remove the cargo flooring. We're going to go ahead and carefully pull up on our scuff panel. Be careful not to break the clips that's holding it in place. Using a trim panel tool, we're going to be removing this push pin and 3 panels here, here, and here. When removing the lower body part, you will have to move it around the tow hook. Behind the middle panel, you'll locate the tow harness, which is taped up to this wire loom with orange tape. We'll go ahead and plug in our tow harness into the connector. We're going to locate the existing ground on the vehicle. We're going to tie in our ground to this. Using a 10mm socket, I'll go ahead and unscrew it. We'll go ahead and attach our ground wire on our tow harness to the existing one. For this customer, we're going to go ahead and leave the wiring inside the vehicle. We're going to route it towards the center and then put all of our panelings back. We'll go ahead and reinstall our scuff panel. We'll go ahead and get our push pin back in. Go ahead and put back all of our flooring. When you're ready to tow, pull up on the flooring, pull your wiring outside, and then you'll be able to close your hatch. Keeping it on the inside of the cargo area keeps it protected longer. Next, we're going to reinstall the screws for our handle. And then we'll reinstall our cover. Next, we'll go ahead and reinstall our cargo hook. On some models, you may need to activate the towing harness by inserting a fuse in the fuse box, which will be located under the driver's side dash. On this model, a fuse was already inserted for us. That's it for this install, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.